Alright guys, pre-check-in, I want to talk about one thing that I always do before a guest checks in. Like right now I want to show y'all how it looks. This is after the cleaners have came in. They obviously turn all the lights off for us. So what I will do is come in here and turn all the lamps on, open all blinds, make sure the curtains are nice and neat. This just gives it a super warm kind of welcome. So I finished cutting all the lamps on. I just kind of want to show y'all, maybe I can do a before and after video. Just kind of show y'all how different it feels in here. Just one lamp on, one light on right here, lamp, open blinds. Also highly recommend, if you're a property manager, to hire a quality control check person. This person goes in an hour or two before check-in and they kind of just check the property, turn on lamps, open blinds, straighten curtains, kind of staging the property right before the guest checks in to make sure it's perfect.